He was a most peculiar man. That's what Mrs. Reardon said, and she should know. She lived upstairs from him. She said he was a most peculiar man. He was a most peculiar man. He lived all alone within a house, within a room, within himself, a most peculiar man. He had no friends, he seldom spoke, and no one in turn ever spoke to him, 'cause he wasn't friendly and he didn't care. And he wasn't like them. Oh no, he was a most peculiar man. He died last Saturday. He turned on the gas and he went to sleep with the windows closed, so he'd never wake up to his silent world and his tiny room. And Mrs. Reardon said he had a brother somewhere who should be notified soon. And all the people said, what a shame that he's dead. But wasn't he